In this video, we will demonstrate how to replace the door handle for the model number 8067-24S. Open the dishwasher door. You will need a Torx T20 screw bit. Remove all the screws around the dishwasher door. Hold both the panel and the door together when unscrewing. Caution: the door will spring forth once released. Remove the top control panel. Remove the screws holding the door handle. Remove the door handle. Align the pad with the screws. With your new door handle, align and screw firmly into place. Place back the control panel. Align the door and the panel together. There are 3 different screws type. The 2 medium-sized screw will be for the middle of the panel. The 2 large screws will be used beside the middle. And use the small screws for the rest of the holes. This completes the installation.